Tracy with WTI. Are you looking to increase your weight training but don't want to have all the dumbbells around the house? Why not try out a great set like this one from KEMLDIVS? This set is fully adjustable and you can add or take away weight anytime.
The weights come with a booklet to help you figure out not only the different sizes, but also how to interchange them. They're a bright color and very easy to grip onto. And I love that they're that hexagon shape because once you place them on the floor, they don't roll away at all. Once you figure out what weight you would like, you can range from 1 pound if you have no additional pieces on, and it goes up to 12 pounds. So you can really increase your strength training with these without having to buy multiple sets of dumbbells. I really like them because once I am locked in, if I want to increase for a different type of exercise, then it's really easy to swap them out and they stay locked in place so you don't have to worry about it falling off or from anybody else interacting with them that it might be unsafe for. I love using these in workouts and it's so cool that you can change them out anytime.
I really love how easy it is to adjust this weight set. They're comfortable and I also like the really vibrant colors. Best of all, I can increase my weight training without having to have all of the dumbbells and set up everywhere. Rather, everything is in one spot and I can adjust it anytime. And that's my point of view.